This is day 8 of mastering the art of selling through copywriting. And today, we're talking about one of the most powerful tools in marketing, storytelling. Because here's the truth. Facts inform, but stories sell. Think about this. If I say this product increases productivity by 30%, that's interesting, but forgettable. But if I say, last year, I was overwhelmed, always busy, and still getting nothing done. I use this one system, and within weeks, think about this. My workdays felt lighter, and my results doubled. Now you're listening. Why? Because the human brain is wired for stories. Stories create emotion. Emotion creates connection, and connection creates trust. And people don't buy from brands they don't trust. Here's the simple storytelling framework you can use in any copy. Before. What was life like before? The struggle, the pain. After. What changed? The result, the transformation. Bridge. What made the change possible? That's where your product, service, or idea comes in. Great copy doesn't say, look how good my product is. It says, look at someone just like you and what's possible for you too. So next time you write an ad, a post, or a sales page, don't just list features. Tell a story, because when people see themselves in your story, they start believing your solution is for them. Tomorrow, we'll break down features versus benefits step by step. Stay connected, and I'll see you on day 9.